Come closer, come closer. Let me show you a hack how you can download all your files and attachment from Salesforce Case object. As you can see from my screen, this is a files downloader application, 100% native to Salesforce. I've chosen files and attachment. The second option I have, which object, as you know, this is a case object this time. With a case object, I have four options: download case file and attachment via. Whether it's a one particular case record, you need file within the list view of used cases using a SQL query or related record of case. I'm choosing file within the list of case. Clicking after selecting this, I'm just hitting on search. After hitting on search, this is a data table which has arrived, which shows total number of files found, page 1 out of 1. I'm taking 10 for now. So from here I can simply select all the 10 files in all the case numbers. So these are the case numbers, their size, their type, also their last modified date. So the second option is this, how simply I can hit on download. So the downloaded has initiated. It will not take more than 30 seconds to get downloaded. Okay, and I'm just clicking here. Yes, so all the case files are downloaded here. As you can see, in this case number, there are total 4 files. In this case number, there were 4 files again. This has only 1 file, and this also has 1 file. And most importantly, you will also get a file mapping CSV. In the file mapping CSV, you will get their type, their ID, their title, their parent ID, their parent name, the file path, owner ID, owner name, create date, last modified date, content, document ID. Okay, moving forward, you'll also get a file downloader dashboard. You can see which user has downloaded. So this, for me, this is the top downloader Shubham Kesar. Total number of files downloaded 146. Primary source of object, total files downloaded 38.59 MB. You can also track the download user's history as well. So if you want, you can also download. So I hope you like this demo. So it's an easy, quick hack for you to download all your files and attachment using case object. Thank you so much.